Hi there, YouTubers, and welcome back. Chad Sinclair with Heart, Mind, Soul, Talking Season, Punisher Skateboards. I got my third sponsor package here. I'm here at the Downhill Jam in Surrey. It's kind of noisy because we got the traffic beside us. So here we go. Oh wow. So it looks like we got a huge longboard here. Need my knife again.
Oh, you smell that kush?
Yeah. Try to keep that straight. Smell that kush. That's gonna be in the video. Wow, look at that. That's sick. They really taped it up though. Always want to clean up your house. Clean up your mess. Got one more. There you go. Alright, so it looks like I got the Punisher Tales of the Dead longboard here. You can zoom in on it and check it out. And then it's pretty cool. And then got the black longboard trucks. Got the Punisher longboard wheels. ABEC 9 bearings. So that's going to be pretty cool. And yeah, this is it right here. So I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. So thank you, Punisher.